A healthy diet for weight loss typically includes a balance of macronutrients, such as carbohydrates, proteins, and fats, as well as micronutrients from fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. It's important to choose nutrient-dense, whole foods that provide the body with the nutrients it needs to function properly, rather than relying on processed or high-calorie foods. Some examples of nutrient-dense foods that can be included in a weight loss diet include fruits and vegetables. These are low in calories and high in fiber, vitamins, and minerals. They are also a good source of antioxidants, which can help reduce inflammation and protect against disease. Whole grains. Whole grains such as quinoa, brown rice, and oatmeal are high in fiber, which can help you feel full and satisfied after a meal. They are also a good source of complex carbohydrates, which provide energy to the body. Lean proteins. Lean proteins such as chicken, fish, and legumes are important for building and repairing muscle. They can also help you feel full and satisfied, which can make it easier to stick to your diet. Healthy fats. Healthy fats such as avocado, nuts, and seeds are important for maintaining heart health and can also help keep you feeling full and satisfied. It is also important to monitor calorie intake, as creating a calorie deficit is necessary for weight loss. This can be done by reducing portion sizes, choosing lower calorie options, or increasing physical activity. There is no one best diet plan for weight loss, as different plans may work better for different people depending on their individual needs and preferences. However, a healthy and sustainable weight loss plan generally includes a balanced diet that includes a variety of nutrient-dense foods, such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. It also involves regular physical activity and monitoring calorie intake to ensure a calorie deficit, which is necessary for weight loss. It's important to consult a healthcare professional before starting any weight loss program. It is recommended to consult with a healthcare professional, such as a registered dietitian or a doctor, before starting any weight loss program. They can help to create a personalized plan that takes into account your individual needs and medical history.